See this? It is a tiny hairline crack right above the door frame. It is less than 1 mm wide, but every single time you look at this wall, you will see it. Now, most people on YouTube will tell you to grab a utility knife, hack a massive V-groove into your wall, slap on the joint tape and remud a huge section of your drywall. But for a micro crack like this, that is an absolute overkill. It creates a massive mess, and if you aren't a pro taper, you will end up with a huge, noticeable hump on your wall. Today I'm going to show you a much smarter, cleaner and faster way to fix these stubborn micro cracks permanently using a specialized fiber reinforced filler. No tape, no massive mess and completely invisible finish. So let's jump in. Before we touch the wall, here's the minimalist toolkit. The real star of the show is this fiber reinforced filler. Internationally, look for any ready mixed flexible disbursement filler that specifically states it contains microfibers or fiberglass strands. These tiny fibers act like a built-in mesh matrix, holding the crack together so it won't reopen when your door slams. We also need flexible putty knife, a scraper, a paintbrush for dusting, a deep penetrating primer, and some fine sandpaper. Step 1 is preparation. We are not going to dig a deep trench here. We just want to take the edge out of our scraper or sharp utility knife and gently slide through the crack. What we are doing here is removing any loose flaking paint from the edges and opening up a micro channel just wide enough for our fiber filler to physically penetrate. Next, dust is the ultimate enemy. Take a dry paintbrush or vacuum and completely clear out the micro channel. Once it is dust-free, apply a quick coat of deep penetrating primer right inside the crack. Drywall is incredibly thirsty. If you don't prime it, the wall will instantly suck the moisture right out of your new filler, causing it to shrink or fail to bond. Let this dry for only a few minutes. Now for the fun part, applying our fiber filler. Scoop a small amount onto your putty knife. When applying filler to a crack, never just wipe it vertically down the line. You want to apply it crosswise, pushing the material into the crack at a 45-degree angle. This forces the microfibers deep into the void, ensuring a full penetration. Once the crack is completely packed, tilt your putty knife up to 60-degree angle, apply a firmly pressure and wipe downwards along the line to skim all of this excess material. The goal is here to leave the filler inside the crack as tight to the wall as possible. The less excess you leave on the wall now, the less sanding you have to do later. Keep it tight, keep it clean. Once the filler is completely dry, grab your fine grit sandpaper on a sanding block. Do not press too hard. Use light circular motions to feather the edges out until the patch transitions seamlessly into the original wall texture. As you can see, now it's completely flat, absolutely perfect. And that's left now is to wipe away the sanding dust, hit the quick coat of primer and roll your matching wall paint. By using fiber reinforced filler instead of standard joint compound or un-sandable acrylic caulk, we are creating flexible reinforced bridge that handles the vibrations of this door frame effortlessly. If you found this quick fix helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more non-nonsense professional tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.